Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video I'm going to tell you how we can create a double exposure effect in Photoshop, and that too using pretty easy steps. So let's get started. So I have selected this image over here and I have already removed the background. First I have selected the image using the select subject option. If you are not able to see the select subject option over here, you can simply go to select and select subject, and then you can inverse the selection and remove the background. So that is pretty easy steps. Or you can simply go to properties and choose the remove background option, whichever way you find easier that you can apply. Now as you can see, this layer is separate and background is separate, and because the background is on a separate layer, you can change the background color anytime that you want. So this is the first image that I want to use as a base image, and this is the second image that I want to merge so that it gets us the double exposure effect. So I'm going to drag this over here, and make sure while choosing the image, the second image, that is not the base image, the second image that we are going to put on the base image, make sure that the image is bit crowded. It can be anything, it can be trees or buildings. Just make sure that the image is well crowded. It shouldn't be a plain image, so that the effect will have more impact. So this is what I have done. Now I'm going to right click on the top layer and choose the create clipping mask option, so that it will get inserted into the bottom layer. Now to the clipped layer, I'm going to select the layer mask option. So layer mask just once. So as you know, this is the layer mask and this is the image. So click on the layer mask, and you may know that if you choose black color, then it will hide the layer, and if you again choose the white color, then it will again reveal the layer. So black color hides and white color reveals if you are using the layer mask option, and it depends also upon the opacity. And for now I am going to choose the soft brush. As you can see, soft brush, so the hardness is 0. Now using this option, I am going to remove some of the parts for the image, from this image rather. So I am choosing black color like this. So make sure that it looks proper. And again, since we are using the layer mask option, we can always turn it back. So let's say if I want to clear one side like this, and I have kept the opacity intentionally down like this, maybe over here. And let's say if I am not happy with the result, I can simply pick the white color and I will get some area back like this. Maybe I will increase the size a bit like this. Press enter to apply. Again I will choose the layer mask and I will draw something like this. So maybe I will keep it over here, black color. So this is how we can get the double exposure effect, and that too very easily. Instead of this building image, you can choose any other image that you like. And let's say if I want something different, we can always choose the black and white option. So let's say if I only want this image black and white, so I can simply go to the adjustment layer option and black and white. So this will look black and white, and the top layer will remain color, or if you like it in color, then keep it to color. So this is the easy method to create a double exposure effect in Photoshop. You can try this similar effect with different images, and you will get some really interesting results. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.